Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad juice. Start by washing and prepping fruit. Remove cores, seeds, and tough skins. Choose ripe but firm fruit for texture balance and vibrant flavor. Use a mix of citrus, berries, and firmer fruit like apples or pears for contrast. Aim for a variety of colors and textures to make the juice bright, refreshing, and satisfying for any occasion. Combine prepared fruit in a blender and pulse until you reach your desired consistency. Avoid overblending if you want body. Add a splash of lemon or lime to brighten the mix and prevent browning. Taste before sweetening and add honey or agave sparingly, mixing and tasting after each addition. If you prefer thinner juice, blend with cold water or coconut water for a lighter, more refreshing pour that still tastes homemade and fresh. Pour the blended fruit through a fine sieve into a pitcher, pressing gently to extract maximum juice while leaving pulp behind. Chill the juice briefly or serve immediately over ice for a crisp, refreshing drink. Add optional sparkling water for effervescence or mix in yogurt for a creamy twist. Garnish each glass with a mint sprig or citrus wheel to enhance aroma and presentation before serving to friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.